I stopped by the state park this morning, and it's really nice to have an actual shower. I haven't had a real shower in probably over a month. Obviously, I have my portable shower and I stay clean other ways, but it is kind of nice having actual hot running water every once in a while. As you can see, I have this lovely mustache growing, and that's just because my razor is still inside my bus. The bus is actually at the shop still. It's going to be there for another couple days probably. I got a phone call yesterday saying that they finally, after a week and a half, ordered the part that they need, and it should be in a couple of days. And once it gets in, mechanics usually are pretty quick. It's just a matter of actually getting the part in and ordering it. So I should have the bus back in about 2 days, I believe, and that will be very nice. In case you're wondering, this morning I also saw some elk on the way in. I had heard that there were elk in the area, which doesn't surprise me. There's elk everywhere out here, but you don't really see the herd too often. I was just happened to be driving down the road, and there they were, just hanging out in a field, and that was probably the closest I've been to an actual herd of elk. And I'm happy that I did not get any closer. Some of those bulls out there are scary looking.